Someone dialed the phone in the elevator. Anyway, these are the elevators at the SpringHill Suites by Marriott in, what is this? I forget what city this is. Anyway, we're gonna go one. Here's your certificate. And here's your cab view. So as you see, these are Schindler 3300s. This hotel just recently opened, by the way. The other one's on 4. Alright, we got this one. Oh, I need to select the 4. This indicator doesn't have the arrow. We're actually just gonna end it up here. So here's a ice and vending. But anyway, with that being said, actually I'm gonna end it by just showing you this map. I'm staying in 419 right here. So with that being said, that'll be it.